Hi guys, we're launching our G100 Gstrategy program. In case you want to join us for the CAT 22, CET 22, you can just call the numbers given here in classroom and online. So, or you want to attend the demo lecture or just want to take the books or mocks. JBIMS have just completed their 2022 placement process. So congratulations for everyone in JB, those who got the placement. Superb. But in this article, they're not showing anywhere the average salary. Maybe they're still computing the average salary. It will be coming up in a few weeks time. But at least they've announced कि yes, placement complete हो गया because last year बहुत delay हुआ था report आना. And I'm taking this opportunity to pick up the last year report and talk about the batch profile, what kind of students are there. So if you look at here, the age wise 20 to 22 by only 13% of the batch is age between 20 to 22. 53% batch is age between 23 to 24. That's huge. So maximum people have work. See, JBIMS is only college where you just need to get the score. No GDPI, nothing required. So this is unbiased data. For example, CAT, they can give you bias against girls, with girls, in favor of girls. Here, it's all unbiased. So that can give us either only 27%, 6%, 81% boys and 19% girls, those who have cracked the exam. So it's purely based on who have cracked the exam. Yeah. Education point of view, we can again see engineers, 81% engineers. 87% of the batch is engineers. So 87% of the students could crack the CET exam. Moving to the work experience, 0 to 12 months, 28%, which is as good as the average of the other colleges as well. 13 to 24 months, 42%. 24 to 36, 21%. 9% of the batch have more than 36 months of work experience. Now look at the final placement. 54 students have got a PPO, which is huge. Trust me guys, almost 1/3 of the batch, 132 में से 54 people have got a PPO, which is a huge number, which is, trust me, at par with all the major IIMs. If you look at the average placement, if you look at the PPOs. So highest package is 44 lakhs. Top 10% of the batch have got a 32 lakh a package. Top 30%, 27 lakhs. Average is 23, median is 22.28. With 23.16 average salary, JBIMS is any day at par with IIM Lucknow, IIM Indore, IIM Kozhikode, XLRI, all the colleges and the same range. Fine. But the main advantage of JB is the fees. With 2 lakh ka fees, 6 lakh fees, the ROI of Bajaj is best. FMS, JBIMS, Sidnam, that's the main part. They have a very good ROI. So that's what make them ranked higher than the other colleges. Alright, so we're launching a program. In case you want to join the program, just call us on any of the numbers given here. All the best. We don't know this year average package, but looking at the other colleges who have increased their average salary, I'm sure this year average package will be around 23.5 plus at least. So to wait and watch for that. All the best.